Hoi Baqalqain.
Wai.
Atsenda kha sitsakh kina khalig. Hasit yakutug khalig.
Lot sit diakotor kintils sit kalahus khalig.
Okay.
Hatsent. Hasit te kwals te wilchol.
Lot sit qawls to wuchu khalig. Sit mal mild khalig.
Oh, how?
Okay.
Oh, I nakom.
Why anyways that
Why?
weekend?
Neno is het weekend.
Why has halte pesnak seluch is quest qoyaqan utla khai Knxcutens and Knx. Hello, good day my relatives. My name is Levi Bent and this is the help tutorial for N1. Today's lesson is 34. Let's get right away started. Oh hoy, Kuan Chow Chint. Repeat after me. Hasich qaikst khelig. Hasich qaikst khelig. Ki sich mo mild khelig. Ki sich mo mild khelig. Lot ach qai mikhelig. Lutach qai mikhelig. Hasich po minkhelig. Hasich po minkhelig. Ki sich tiakut khelig. Ki sich tiakut khelig. Lutach qawls to wichu khelig. Lutach qawls to wichu khelig. Hasich kelt mas khelig. Hasich kelt mas khelig. Ki sitchen kalahus khelig. Ki sitchen kalahus khelig. Lutachen hlasps khelig. Lutachen hlasps khelig. Hasich qua khelig. Hasich qua khelig. Oh, tali hastish kolum pepes naxil khutlapanach. Oi, atzent high splimchin. Hasich qaikst khelig. Hasich qaikst khelig. Ki sich mo mild khelig. Ki sich mo mild khelig. Lutach qai mikhelig. Lutach qai mikhelig. Hasich po minkhelig. Hasich po minkhelig. Ki sich tiakut khelig. Ki sich tiakut khelig. Lutach qawls to wichu khelig. Lutach qawls to wichu khelig. Ha kelt mas khelig. Ha kelt mas khelig. Ki in kalahus khelig. Ki in kalahus khelig. Lutachin tla clasps chulch. Lutachin tla clasps chulch. Hasich qua chulch. Hasich qua chulch. Why hastish chkolum pepes naxeloch ta lechast. Watlapana pix Knxcutens. Good job, my relatives. You're doing great. Now I'm just going to help you out just a little bit with this lesson. In this lesson, we see the present tense form of the intransitive verb, sich. And also it's plural when we're talking about those guys over there. They are doing it right now. So we learn the past tense. I could say, kin milt, I visited. Milt, milt. But in this instance, it's sich milt. So when you use the present tense form, anytime you use that sich form, make sure and put an X at the end of the word. But with elch always goes on the end. Elch is the pronoun marker for they or those guys. So if I say I am visiting, KNSCUTENS, that would be the end of the word. But when we talk about those guys, you hear that little X sound in there. So it's the equivalent of ing in English, the present tense. I'm doing it, ing. And that is the form that we're using in this lesson today. And there's more to talk about, but we can get into it in another video. But just keep up the good work. Why Ninuis that Wigtelman.